Hi there. Welcome to another mind-boiling video. This is another tutorial on how to make an intro like Marvel in Filmora, but this time with your own images like this. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get onto it. Open Wondershare Filmora and create a NE project. I am choosing 16:9 ratio, so we get a movie look. Now import your images on Filmora. I have these cool snaps of some great Punjabi music. Select these all, and click on this add button. Now these will look like this. Go to transitions and search for drop bounds, that's make it nice. Put this transition between all snaps. Now export it with these settings or your own. This will be so slow, but keep patience, everything will get nice. Close everything. And import the video that you've prepared recently. Also this soundtrack. You can download it from the link in the description. Remove everything from the timeline and import your created video. Place this video to the timeline. And place the soundtrack below it. This looked awkward, the soundtrack was too small. So let's speed up the video. Perfect. Now preview this. Go to the sample colors. And pick this nice red. Place it after the video. Also put it below the video. Like this. Now go to green screen option and change the blending mode to what I am choosing. Change it to multiply and put opacity to 80%. Now go to transition and search a best for it. I am choosing color distance. Now, export your video again using these settings for your own. Again, remove everything from the timeline and import your video and place it on the timeline. Now go to overlays and put cinema 21:9 below the video. This will give it a nice cinematic look. Perfect. Now the biggest step. You have to add some text. Now do the same thing like me. I cannot speak everything. Okay. Now the text and its animation is completed. Now, just preview it and adjust timings. You can change animation anytime. but I will choose only this one. Your project is now ready. Go to Export menu and export it with these settings or your own settings. But before it, let's do the last step. Go to Filters and search Pro Vignette Radius. Put it below on the timeline. This will give your intro a perfect and elegant finish up. Also, you can put some fade transition at the beginning and the end of your intro. This will give it more elegancy. Now just export it. That's the last export of today. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot of it. Filmora is much bigger, you just need to see it. That's not ending. We have a more for you. We have created a Filmora editing playlist for you. Check it on our channel. And also the best intro templates with tutorial and free download links in another playlist. You must check our whole channel. It's full of exciting videos. Can you please subscribe us? We have a lot more for you. Meet you next day. Till then, have a good one. Cheers. Wondershare Filmora button. Desktop, note, window.